Closing market comments for Tuesday, March the 30th. Markets opened lower last night and sold off more after the morning break. Corn closed the day down 8 cents on old, 9 cents on new. Beans down 26 cents on old, 18 cents on new. And wheat closed down 15 on old, 12 cents on new. Malaysian palm oil led the market higher earlier, now has led the market lower after selling off to the lowest level in 5 weeks. Soybean oil has led the beans higher, but with lower palm oil, the soybean oil was sharply lower, trading down 2.5 cents a pound. Funds have been long this market for a while, and with the report tomorrow and with the weaker soybean oil pricing, markets sold off and set new lows for the move. Soybeans broke under the 50-day moving average today for the first time since last fall. China is buying beans, but not from the U.S., unfortunately. They're out of Brazil. We are currently 87 cents per bushel higher than Brazil on soybeans coming out of the Gulf. USDA did announce a sale of 100,800 metric tons of corn to unknown for 2021. U.S. planting progress reports are starting to come out of the South. Texas is at 50%, Louisiana at 74%, Mississippi 24%, Arkansas at 4%. Those are about normal for this time of year. Market continues to worry about inflation factors. 10-year Treasury yields today were at 1.77%. That's 4-month highs. President Biden is to release his infrastructure bill today. It is reported to have $3 trillion of increased taxes as part of the bill, and concerns about the economy there. Dr. Cordonnier released his increased soybean estimate for last night at 1 million metric tons higher at 133.0, but he left his corn crop in Brazil and Argentine bean and corn crops unchanged from previous estimates. Dakota is still reporting drought conditions. Southern half of Brazil's safrinha crop is also dry, causing early concerns with growing, but too early to have a big factor at this time. The dollar was a very strong day, up 359 points at 93.315. To my knowledge, it's the first time we've traded over 93 in a while. Gold down 31.50. Silver was down 781 points. The strong dollar hurt crude oil and will hurt exports if we continue to see that strength. Crude oil today was down $1.10, trading at 60.46. Stock markets were lower with Dow futures down 92, Nasdaq down 52, and S&P down 9. Just a reminder, tomorrow at noon we do have the planning intentions report and the March 31st or the March 1 stocks report are included in tomorrow's report. So that is out at noon. That will be the driver, so we'll have to see what it brings. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.